Subscribe to Mind Body Soul and click on the bell icon for more updates.
While most people opt for the evening cup of chai or coffee, I'm today choosing to have my miraculous drink. This drink, what if I told you, is not only super affordable but is also plant-based, can boost your immunity and take care of all of your health problems? Yes, you heard me right. Let's get started and find out what I'm drinking today. Let's begin. Moringa oleifera is taking over the world as a new natural superfood, and that's not without a reason. As I always say, something that's affordable and so nutritious should make headlines for the right reasons. Brew it into a lovely tea, add it to your stews, or even use drumstick and eat it like your sabzis or vegetable. Let's quickly discuss about the top 5 benefits that moringa holds. Number 1, aids in weight loss. This is because this actually reduces fat formation and enhances fat breakdown. Number 2, super high in nutrients like vitamins A, B6, C, also riboflavin, iron, protein and magnesium. Number 3, loaded with antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and vitamin C. So this basically helps our body fight the free radicals and boost immunity. Now that we've spoken about the various benefits of moringa, I'm actually going to take you to my kitchen where we're now going to brew some amazing moringa tea. As you can see, I have with me some moringa leaf extract. Now this is made using these. These are called moringa leaves or drumstick tree leaves. It's very simple to make this powder at home, guys. I see a lot of my clients either using these moringa pills, but always remember that the powder or the fresh leaves is way more potent than those. How did I make the powder? It is really easy. All you need to do is shade dry these. So you wash them well, shade dry them, and then just powder it into this miraculous powder. Super affordable and easy to make and store as well. Now let's start brewing this amazing tea. You know what's the best part about this is that I'm going to be making this using fresh ingredients. So we're going to first add our water to a pan. Now that we've added our water, we have two options to brew this decaffeinated moringa tea. If you want to make this decaffeinated, do not add any real tea leaves into it, even if it's green tea, because all tea leaves contain caffeine. We're basically making like a herbal concoction where we're using all natural ingredients. You can either use the powder or the fresh leaves, but today because we have the fresh leaves, we're going to make the most of it. So I'm going to add a few leaves to this. Now we're going to add all our other ingredients. So we have with us some pudina or mint. We have some fresh lemongrass, and finally we have some grated ginger, which, as you all know, is my favorite ingredient because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Now we're going to let all of this nicely simmer and boil, and then all that's left to do is to strain it. Now we're just going to switch the flame off. This took me about 1 to 2 minutes. All that's required to do is to now beautifully strain this. As you can see, it has a soft green color. This is done now. I suggest that this can be taken in the morning on an empty stomach, but some people don't like to have this like a herbal concoction. There are many other ways that you can actually add moringa powder into your daily diets. I generally add it to my dals, my curries, my stews, also in your sabzis. Always make sure that you add the moringa in a flavor that can be masked. Lastly, I would like to tell you about the consumption and quantity. Be very careful about this because some people overdo it on natural superfoods. At the end of the day, we don't want to have something forever. Even if it's a superfood as good as moringa, I suggest that you have about 2 teaspoons every single day for 2 weeks, and then we give it a month's break, and even if you want to restart, you start after the break. Also, another way to potently add this in your diet is to have the powder in a glass of water first thing in the morning, and that also helps you get all the benefits of the moringa. Remember that excess of this when consumed can actually lower your heart rate a little too much, also your blood pressure, and also cause fertility problems in women. So be a little careful, but don't skip on this superfood altogether. So now I really hope that you do include moringa in some way or the other in your daily diets. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to your very own The Health Space.